how to download Adobe Firefly on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Adobe Firefly app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on an Android device or App Store on an iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Adobe Firefly and search for it. Select the first search result for Adobe Firefly. Tap on the install button. The Adobe Firefly app will start downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the Adobe Firefly app on a mobile device. Simply tap the open button, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you already have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to explore the world of generative AI with the help of Adobe Firefly. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download and install the Adobe Firefly app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.